Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing with you guys 3 healthy meal ideas that you are going to love. They're all full of great things for you. They're going to help nourish you, fill you up, give you energy, plus they taste delicious. So if you're new, subscribe for more healthy recipes and let's get into it. So the first thing we're making is this refreshing watermelon salad. I'm starting out with a base of greens and I did a mix of spinach and arugula. Then I'm chopping up half a zucchini, and zucchini is great because it has a high water content. So it's going to be really hydrating, especially in the summertime. You could also do cucumber here. That would be really good and also super hydrating. And you can cut it into quarters like I'm doing or even make it into ribbons. And then I'm slicing up some watermelon. Again, watermelon is super hydrating. It adds a little bit of sweetness to the salad. And I find when it's really hot and humid out, I want something refreshing like this salad. And the watermelon really works well in it. So I'm just slicing this up into cubes. It would also be good to kind of just prep the watermelon ahead of time. Keep the cubes in your fridge that you can throw into your salads whenever you like. And just have it on hand for the whole summer too for snacking. I'm adding that into the bowl along with the zucchini, and then I'm going to be adding in some walnuts. And walnuts are super great for your brain. They kind of look like a brain, so that's a great way to remember that they're good for your brain. And then some avocado, which adds in some great healthy fats, but also it helps the creaminess of the salad and kind of combines with the lime juice that we're gonna add to kind of almost make like a dressing. It's super delicious. And I also find the combo of watermelon and avocado to be really especially yummy. So adding that in. And then I'm adding in some fresh mint, which goes along with the refreshing theme of this salad. But mint is also really great for digestion. So kind of adding this into your meals is a great way to kind of help digestion while you're eating. And then I'm just squeezing the juice of half a lime over this. Not only does this help to preserve the avocado if you're transporting this salad or eating it later, but it also adds great flavor that kind of almost marinates the watermelon and gives it a great texture. So this is definitely a summer staple with the watermelon and the mint and the avocado. It's creamy, it's satisfying, but still refreshing, super hydrating, and it's going to be filling while being great for your digestion. Up next, we're making these chicken lettuce cups, which is kind of a really go-to quick meal for me. So I'll prep some chicken at the beginning of the week. I really like using chicken thighs lately. I find they have a lot more flavor. They are a bit more fattier cut of meat than like a chicken breast, but the fat's actually good for you and helps to fill you up. So I'll just bake these off for half an hour at 400 with a little bit of seasoning. And today I'm using the taco seasoning. You can definitely make your own taco seasoning at home. There's lots of recipes on Google, but I find buying an organic one that's just already mixed together is super easy. Sprinkle that on the top, and then that way when you come home for lunch or dinner, you can throw them onto some butter lettuce to make some lettuce cups. And I've been adding mango to them, and this is so good. I first had this combo when I was in Bali. It was like a chicken mango burger and it was delicious. And ever since then, the chicken with the ripe mango really goes well together. It complements it really nicely. And then I'm adding in some fresh cilantro. If you're not a cilantro person, any fresh herb really elevates dishes, and fresh herbs are a great thing to incorporate into your meals because they have a lot of medicinal properties. So for example, cilantro is very detoxifying, great for us in the summertime when you kind of just want to minimize bloat and things like that. So this is a really good quick meal that you can make with chicken you have on hand or really any kind of protein, but it's still super delicious. And then we're making this shrimp stir fry. So I'm slicing up some mushrooms. Mushrooms have a great meaty texture, but also mushrooms are a fungi and they're really good for your immune system. We definitely don't want to get sick in the summertime, but I mean, again, these recipes are still great any time of year, but they're definitely summer inspired. So slicing up some mushrooms. And then I'm going to be adding that into a pan with just a little bit of avocado oil because we're going to be cooking them down. And comment down below your favorite vegetable. Guys, I don't think I could pick my favorite vegetable. Probably broccoli, which we're going to be adding into a minute because I love broccoli. But let me know your favorite vegetable. So we're adding in the broccoli. Broccoli is a great cruciferous vegetable. It has something called I3C, which is great for your hormones. While that's cooking, I'm making my sauce out of some coconut aminos, garlic, and ginger. garlic and ginger are both great antimicrobials, antifungals, both really good for digestion as well. And then a little bit of tapioca flour, which is optional, but helps to thicken the sauce and helps to kind of adhere to everything, and you get that kind of thick stir-fry sauce texture. So stir that together, and then I'm also adding in some bok choy, which is a great leafy green. Leafy greens in general are super good for you, and bok choy is a great alternative if you're not the hugest fan of kale. Plus, it really works well with the broccoli and the mushrooms to kind of get that Asian-inspired flavor, and the more greens you can get in, the better. So when the bok choy wilts down, you're kind of able to eat more because it's less voluminous. I'm adding in some shrimp. I've been on a wild shrimp kick lately, but you can definitely do your favorite protein here, whether it be chicken or tofu, and kind of stir that together. Once the shrimp start to get slightly pink, and you'll know when they start to cook because they just change color and they get pink, you can add in your sauce, and the sauce will thicken as it coats and cooks with the shrimp as the shrimp kind of finish up cooking. So once the shrimp are completely pink, you know they're done cooking, and they cook really quick, which is kind of why I love this. Also adding in some cashews, but you can do any kind of nut, but cashews definitely are more Asian inspired, and I've added some like nice healthy fats to this dish. Once it's done, I just put a little bit of green onion on the top for some flavor, and you have this really quick stir fry that is a great quick meal if you need something that's still gonna be delicious, nourishing, and satisfying, but you don't have a lot of time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these healthy meal ideas. They are so yummy. I literally just had the shrimp stir fry for lunch. It was easy, it was quick, delicious. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm going to leave my healthy recipes playlist right here. Tons more healthy recipes there to give you guys inspiration, or obviously the recipes themselves. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.